I will give formula, differentiation formula. Okay, differentiation. Everyone must by heart this formula. Okay, I'm going to give the first one is d by dx of x. Okay, that is what on of 1. Okay,
Yes, sir. 1.
next d by dx of ax. D by dx of ax means where a is a constant, take a is outside, a into
Yes, sir.
d by dx of x, and which must be equals to a.
A, sir.
Next, d by dx of e power x equals to e power x. Okay. Next, d by dx of x power n. Very, very important.
Sir, d by dx into ex, how that one got, sir?
Huh?
Third one there, no, sir. D by dx into
So if you want d by dx of e power x equals to e power x only, e power x only. So just remember this. There is no time to prove all these things. If you have any doubts, please go and ask me your math, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
N into x power n minus 1. Okay, now d by dx of x power n equals to n into x power n minus 1. So in the similar way, we can write d by dx of x square. What is x square, Nana? 2 into x power 2 minus 1.
2 into x power 2 minus 1.
That is 2x. Okay. Okay, Nana. Next, d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x equals to what? Cos x. Next, d by dx of cos x equals to
Is equal to sin x is minus sin x.
minus sin x.
Minus sin x, sir.
Next, d by dx of sin ax, where a is a constant, it should be a cos ax. Okay.
A cos A.
Cos A.
D by dx of cos ax equals to minus a
Minus
sin
A.
a
Minus
sin
A sin
a.
x.
Okay. Next, 10th one. D by dx of some any constant which must be equals to what, Nana? 0.
0.
Differentiation of any
Zero,
constant
sir.
equals to
0, sir.
0. Okay. These are few differentiation formulae. Next, I will give some integration formulae. Integration formulae. Okay. The first one is integration x power n dx. So this symbol is called integration. Integration x power n dx equals to, we can write x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. That is integration. For example, x dx will be there. X dx means what we can write? X power in place n, you can write 1. Okay, now 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is
1 plus 1.
x square by 2.
By 2.
Okay. Integration e power x dx equals to e power x. Okay, there is no change. Next, integration of sin x dx equals to, we can write cos x. Sorry, d by dx of integration minus cos x. This is minus cos x.
Minus cos x, sir.
Okay, rational. Integration d by dx of cos x. Integration cos x equals to, this is
Sin x.
sin
Sin
x.
x, sir.
Next, integration of sin ax dx equals to what, Nana? Minus cos ax by a. Next, integration of cos ax dx equals to what? Sin ax by a.
Sin
Okay.
x by a, sir.
Okay, right. Next, one more thing. integration of 1 by x dx equals to what, Anna? Log x. Integration of 1 by x dx equals to what? Log x. Okay. Okay, Nana. So these are the few formulae that we are going to use, and some trigonometric ratios will be there. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to what, Nana?
Is equals to
1. Next, secant square theta minus
theta minus tan square theta
tan
is
square
equals to
theta
1.
Square
One.
theta.
Cos x square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1.
cosec square theta minus cot square
Cot
theta
square
equals
theta is
to
equals to
1. Okay, na? Okay.
Yes,
The,
sir, understood, sir.
right. And you know all silver teacups. All
Yes,
silver
sir, all
teacups.
silver theta.
Yes, sir, we know, sir.
Okay.
We know, sir.
All these formula are very, very important. All these formula are very, very important. Okay, na, na?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Have you noted down all these things?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I had completed, sir.
Okay. Please note down all these formulae. Next, next concept is what? Velocity. Okay. Next concept is velocity. Number 3. Velocity. So can you define what is velocity, Nana?
Yes, sir, the rate of change of displacement, sir.
Very good. Very good. The velocity is defined as the rate of
Change of displacement is
Change of velocity means
rate of
displacement
change
into
of
displacement into time
displacement.
equals to
displacement
velocity, sir.
is called velocity, sir.
The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Whenever we call rate means for another that comes under denominator, that is time. The velocity denoted by
Time,
v, that is nothing but d by
Displacement
dt
by
of x. Okay,
T
d by dt of x. The rate of change of displacement d by dt of x. Okay, now the x is varying according to the time. That is called what, Nana? Velocity. Okay, now. Okay, now we are going to derive an expression for velocity, but we know what is x, Nana? We know that what is x, Nana? X is nothing but what? A cos
A cos omega t plus
A
pi, sir.
omega
theta
pi,
plus
pi.
pi, sir.
Okay, a cos omega t plus pi, where omega is
Omega
called what?
plus
Angular velocity.
angular
Angular
velocity.
velocity, sir.
Angular velocity, which is a constant. Okay, now, which is a constant. And what is pi? Pi is the initial phase.
Initial position of the
Initial
particle.
position, sir, of the particle.
That is called initial phase. The initial phase also what, Nana? Constant. Initial phase also constant. Means what? Whenever we differentiate the angular velocity and initial phase, what we will get, Nana? We will get 0. Okay, now we will get what, Nana? 0. Understood?
0.
Sir,
Yes,
not understood,
sir.
sir. So how will you get, sir?
Whenever we differentiate a constant with respect to any variable, what we will get, Nana?
Sir, 0
Zero.
will get, sir.
0 will get. Okay.
0, sir.
This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equations 1
we will
and
get
2,
Sir,
v equals to d by dt of what is x, Nana, here? X is nothing but a cos
A cos
omega
A cos
by
omega t
pi,
plus
sir.
pi, sir.
Okay. So from this differentiate it. What is A, Nana? A is also amplitude. A is nothing but what, Nana? A is nothing but amplitude.
Capital A.
Amplitude, sir.
This is also constant. The amplitude also what, Nana? Constant. The maximum displacement of the particle, that is also constant. So that we can take this constant outside, right?
yes, sir.
A
Yes,
by
Yes, sir.
d
Constant
by
should be
dt
taken
of
outside.
cos of
cons.
omega t plus phi. Okay. From this, we can write A into, now tell me what is d by dt of sin theta or sin x?
Cos x.
Sir, d by dt of sin x, sir.
Ah,
Cos x,
Cos
sir.
x, sir.
d by dt of cos x is what?
of sin is equal to
Cos x.
Minus
minus
sin x.
minus sin x.
Minus sin x, sir.
Minus sin x means what? Omega t plus pi. Omega t plus pi. Again d by dt of omega t plus pi. Is it fine? Okay. From this, take minus outside, minus a sin omega t plus pi. So here we can write d by dt of omega t plus d by dt of phi. Okay. Now we can write phi equals to minus a sin omega t plus pi. Now tell me, what is omega? Is omega is a constant?
Yes, sir.
Take,
Yes, sir.
take,
Constant.
take
It
outside
will become
d by dt of t plus d by dt of what is pi, Nana?
It is also constant.
Constant,
pi
right?
also is a constant.
Right.
That take pi
Whenever we differentiate a constant, what we will get, Nana?
0, sir.
Understood? Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
V equals to minus a sin omega t plus pi into omega d by dt of t is how much, Nana? 1.
D by dt is equal to 1, sir.
Right?
0.
Finally, we left with what? Only omega. That is, take omega outside. A
Is
omega sin omega t plus
omega
pi.
plus pi.
Okay, this is what the velocity
Yes,
you have. This is the velocity you have. Finally, the velocity of the particle is given by velocity v equals to minus a omega sin
Sin
omega t plus
omega
pi.
t plus pi, sir.
Okay. Okay, Nana, this is what the velocity of the particle. The displacement,
Yes.
whenever what is the displacement we have taken, Nana? What is the displacement we have taken? X equals to a cos.
Equals to a cos
cos
omega t plus
omega
x, sir.
Right. This is the displacement we have taken. So finally we got the velocity is how much, Nana? Minus a omega
Minus
sin
a
omega t.
Minus a omega sin
Omega plus pi.
omega t plus
omega
pi, sir.
t plus pi, sir.
Here I'm going to rewrite this equation as minus a omega. Instead of sin omega t, I will write. You know already what is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals how much, Nana?
Is
One.
equal to 1, sir.
From
One,
this,
sir.
sin square theta equals to
Sin
what?
square theta is equal to 1 minus 1
Minus
Okay.
cos square
Minus
theta.
cos square theta.
What is sin theta? Root
Root
over
Root over
One
1
minus
minus
cos
cos
square
square theta.
here also same. Instead of theta, if I write omega t plus pi. Okay, na? So this will become what? Under root 1 minus cos
Cos
square
square theta.
omega t plus pi.
Omega t plus pi.
Omega t plus
Okay, na?
pi.
Okay, na? So from this
Yes,
goes
sir.
to minus a omega under root of 1 minus. Now tell me what is from this? What is x by a? X by a equals to cos
Cos is
Cos
omega t plus pi.
omega t plus pi, sir.
So instead of cos omega t plus pi, what we can write? X by a. Can I write x by a?
by we have to write, sir.
by a whole
X by
square.
X.
X by a whole square means here we have cos square. Sum this V equals to minus A omega C. This will become what? A square minus X square by A square. Okay. So take A outside and this will become minus A omega by A under root of A square minus X square.
A square minus X square, sir.
A get
A
cancelled.
should be get cancelled.
Minus omega
Omega
under root of
root
A square minus
A minus X square.
X square. This is what the velocity of the particle which executing simple harmonic motion. One more expression for what? Velocity. Okay, Nana?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So here, negative sign indicates what? The velocity is in opposite direction. Velocity is in
Yes, sir.
opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Okay, now why? Because the velocity is a vector quantity. It will having magnitude as well as direction. The direction is indicated by what? Negative sign. Okay. If you try it in terms of magnitude, what we can write? V equals to omega under root of A square minus X square. Okay, no. Understood? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
This is what the velocity. This is what the
Fine.
velocity. చూడండి మీకు ఇంత ఈ చెప్పనీకి ఇవన్నీ చెప్పాల్సి వచ్చింది అవునా? So the basics are very very important. If you have few basics, you can understand each and everything. Actually, the physics is very easy to understand. Okay, if you compare all the subject, the physics is very easy. BPC students, are you there?
Yes, sir. We are there.
You should focus. You should focus more and more. If you score more marks in physics, you easily get a neat seat. Okay, the physics decides your future.
Yes, sir.
Both MPC and BPC, the physics subject decides your future. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, special cases. No need to buy hard, no need to remember, just learn the concept. Okay, na? Just learn the concept. The special cases. The first case, for example, if the particle is at mean position, now you have to explain me. When the particle is at mean position, when the particle is at mean position means what about its displacement?
Then X should be zero.
Zero.
X should
X
be
equals to
X
0.
will be zero. Then what about its velocity? V equals to omega under root of
Omega under
A
root of
square.
minus X square.
X square means
X
it's 0
square, sir.
square. Okay, now omega under root of A square, that is what? Omega into A, that is A omega. A omega means what? This is the maximum velocity of the particle. Okay, now maximum velocity of the particle means at mean position the particle will having what? Maximum velocity. Okay, now that is what? A omega. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now so they will ask the question, the particle possesses the maximum velocity at dash position, mean position, extreme position. Which of the following cases the particle will having the more velocity? In option A at extreme position, option B at mean position, option C at any point, option D none of the above.
It means position.
Okay, now so at mean position the velocity is maximum means what about its kinetic energy, Nana?
half mv square, no sir.
Half mv square. If v is maximum means what happens? The velocity is maximum means what? Its kinetic energy also maximum. Adena. The kinetic energy also maximum means the particle having
Directly proportional, no sir.
the particle will having maximum kinetic energy, more kinetic energy at the mean point, mean position. Okay. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now tell me.
Velocity is not the maximum, sir.
Ask me once again.
Sir, in the extreme position, velocity will be minimum or maximum, sir.
That we are going to discuss. Wait. Okay.
It is minimum, sir.
When the particle, I don't know, you have to explain me. Okay. When the particle is at a extreme position means what about its displacement,
X
Nana?
is equal to A, sir. X is equal to A.
Yes.
X equals to A means the maximum displacement is called amplitude.
Velocity
Okay.
velocity is equal to
Okay.
omega
Wait.
root A square minus A square, sir.
Wait. I will explain. Please wait. Okay. So velocity equals to omega into under root of A square minus X square.
X square.
This way omega into under root of A square.
A
What is
square
X?
minus
A square.
Zero,
A
sir.
square will be 0. So we got the velocity will be minimum where? In the extreme position. Okay,
At
na?
the extreme position.
Therefore, velocity is minimum. The minimum velocity is how much on a 0? Where at extreme position. Extreme position. So now tell me what about the kinetic energy of the particle at extreme position, Nana? Very
Zero,
good.
sir.
The kinetic
sir.
energy of the particle will be 0 at extreme position. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.